Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. No? In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on operations and functions, and sa video na to ay mag-solve tayo ng several examples on how to add two functions. No? So we have two functions, f of x equals x squared plus x and g of x equals 2x plus 1. So number one is find f of x, f plus g of x. No? So, ito yung definition natin, f plus g of x. F plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x, no? But f of x is equal to x squared plus x. No? And g of x is 2x plus 1. Okay, so meron tayong, i-add natin itong dalawang to, magiging x squared plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so simple addition lang yan of polynomial expressions. So ito na yung pinaka-resulting function natin. This is f plus g of x is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 1. Now, napag-usapan natin sa previous video na may mga pagkakataon na yung domain, no, ng dalawang functions ay hindi pareho. So we have to take the intersection of their domains para sa domain ng function natin, ng resulting function. No? Pero dito, both functions are polynomial functions, so they are defined everywhere. No? Both their domains are is the set of real numbers. So wala tayong problema sa addition. Okay, so okay na tayo dito. What is f plus g of 0? So pag nakuha na natin yung f plus g of x, pwede na natin siyang i-substitute, di ba? F plus g of x is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 1, meaning f plus g of 0. So, substitute lang natin dito sa f plus g of x, yung 0. Doon sa values ng x. So, 0 squared plus 3 times 0 plus 1. So, 0, 0, 0. So, 1 yan. F plus g of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so, sagot natin dito ay 1. So, what is f plus g of negative 1? Ganun din. F plus g of negative 1. Kalimutan palagi itong. So that's negative 1 squared plus 3 times negative 1 plus 1. So that is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 1. This is negative 2 plus 1. This is negative 1. So f plus g of negative 1 is equal to negative 1. Siguro i-box natin yung sagot, no? Para kitang kita. And lastly, what is f plus g of 1/2? Alam ko yung iba sa inyo ay hate na hate yung fraction, but there's no escape, no? F plus g of 1/2 is equal to, dito na tayo, 1/2 squared, diretso na tayo, no? Plus 3 times 1/2 plus 1. So that's 1/4 plus 3/2 plus 1. So 1/4 plus 6 over 4 plus 4 over 4. So ilan na yan? That's 7, 11 over 4. This is 11 over 4. Okay, so yun lang naman. That's the operation is very simple. You add expressions, algebraic expressions, no, and pag specific values na, syempre isa-substitute mo na doon sa resulting function. Yung resulting function natin ay x squared plus 3x plus 1. So if you're looking for f plus g of 0, course, you just have to substitute dun sa substitute 0 dun sa values ng x. Okay, so substitute 0 doon sa mga x's dun na nag-appear dun sa function. Okay, so that's it. Sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa ating video na to. Gusto ko i-invite sa ating YouTube channel. We have more than 900 videos already. And we're uploading at least one video every day. So, hindi kayo mauubusan ng aaralin. Just explore the channel. And, of course, subscribe kayo, no? Meron din tayong Facebook page at meron din tayong website. So, invite ko kayo, follow our Facebook page. And if you think this video is has helped you, please click the like button. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.